Hey guys, I'm making another video because I'm here and I'm very bored. And if you can't hear by my voice, I'm fucking sick and I feel like shit and all those other nice names in the book. Um, so yeah, not sure what to talk about. I do have my BME shirt on, which I bought at the BME event yesterday. Oh, that's my phone. And I was feeling like crap there too. It's really hot in my room now. I'm certain I'm going through puberty because before in high school I never got pimples, like never, and now I'm just covered in them. Like that one right there, I have that one, and there's like a matching one on the other side. Ugh, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So yeah, um, I don't want to be sick, and my mom brought me some tea, so I'm gonna drink that. Yay! Uh, I'll just leave it with that. All right, bye.